Hello children, welcome to Spark Physics by ASHISH Sharma sir. The easy and simple way to learn the concept of physics. Today I have come with a new video, the important topic, even very important topic, equations of motion. So there are three equations of motion which you have studied in class 9. Fourth equation also we will be seeing here. The first equation which we have is V is equal to U plus AT. Second equation we have S is equal to UT plus half AT square. And third one is V square is equal to U square plus 2AS. Yes. So first equation we have V is equal to U plus AT. You know here we have this U is the initial velocity. V is final velocity. A is acceleration. And T is time. Always while deriving any equation, you please write the introductory part. What are U, A, T and V? Similarly, you have second equation, S is equal to UT plus half AT square. Here S is the distance traveled by the object. In the third equation, we have V square is equal to U square plus 2AS. Again, S is the distance. Other things you know as we have written in the first case. So first, we will be deriving this equation by graphical method. These equations can be derived by analytical method, can be derived by calculus method also. So first we will see the derivation with the help of graph. Graph which we are drawing here is velocity time graph. Suppose we are talking about the uniform motion. Yes. So suppose the velocity graph, time graph is AB, where point A gives you initial velocity, at point P the velocity becomes V in time T. I have join the point B to D and A to C. The theta is the angle with the time axis. Yes. Now, when we derive the first equation, we will be starting with acceleration is equal to slope of the graph. Take care, we are deriving by graph. You need to use the concept of graphs. Okay? So we know acceleration is slope of the graph. So that we can write slope is given by tan theta. Slope of VT graph gives you the acceleration which is given by tan theta. Tan theta you see here, we can write perpendicular upon base, that is BC upon AC. Okay, BC we can write, you see here, we can write BD minus CD upon AC is nothing but OD. So we have BD is how much? Final velocity V. This is U, you can see here, CD is nothing but U, we can write these two are parallel. OD is nothing but T, and this is what we have got, acceleration A. So you can see here we have AT equal to V minus U, V is equal to U plus AT. This is how we will be deriving. Okay. When we derive the second and third equation, you see we have distance S, here also distance S. We begin the equation, derivation of the equation by taking distance traveled by the object, here also distance traveled by the object. And from VT graph, we know that the area under the graph will give you the distance covered. But since we have distance in both the cases, तो फिर अंतर क्या है? क्या difference है? हम कैसे आगे बढ़ेंगे दोनों में? The easier way is, when we derive the second equation, we will be taking area under this AB, which is equal to area of the rectangle and area of the triangle. The difference here in the third one is we will be taking area of the trapezium. Both ways we can do. Either we take the area of the trapezium or area of the rectangle and triangle. So here in the second equation we will be taking area of the triangle and area of the rectangle. So which is equal to area of rectangle, we have OACD plus area of triangle ABC. This we can write, so it is S. So area of OACD is OA into OD plus area of the triangle, we have half into base into height. So we can write half into base, we have AC, into height we have BC. See, OA is how much we can write? U. OD how much we can write? T. plus half into AC. AC is nothing but OD. We can write T into BC. BC is V minus U. Yes, but from equation 1 we have V is equal to U plus AT. V minus U we can write AT. Therefore, this S becomes UT plus half into T. V minus U we can write AT, which will give you UT plus half. This will give you T square. So AT square. Very simple to derive. We have taken area of the rectangle, area of the triangle, add these two. बस आपको ये ध्यान रखना है कि we are using first equation here and we'll be substituting V minus U as AT. जब आपको यदि second equation derive करने आता है, only second equation in the exam by the graphical method, no need to derive first equation. Only you derive the second equation. Third equation, how we will derive? See here. Again we have written distance traveled by the object which is equal to area under the graph. Area इसका फिर से हमने क्या कहा है? We will be taking equal to area of trapezium OABD. And what is area of the trapezium? Half of sum of the parallel sides. Parallel sides, which are the parallel sides? OA plus BD. OA plus BD into separation between the two, that is OD, which is equal to half. OA, what we can write? U. BD we can write V. OD we can write T. Again we will be using first equation. कैसे यूज करेंगे देखिए. From equation 1, V is equal to U plus AT. So we can write T is equal to V minus U upon A. Therefore, this S becomes half U plus V or V plus U we can write. So V plus U into this is V minus U upon A. You can use one formula, A plus B, A minus B. That is A square minus B square. So we can write V square minus U square upon A. Cross multiply, you will get 2AS equal to V square minus U square. So V square is equal to U square plus 2AS. Yes, this is how we derive the equations by graphical method. You can have snapshot of this. In the next video, we will be deriving these equations by calculus method. But before we start the next video with the equations of motion by calculus method, let us have one numerical. It was asked in AIEEE also. Let's see what it says. Very good example. You see, it says a car starting from rest. Every line has got meaning. Please see to it. Starting from rest, accelerates at the rate of f through a distance s. Then continues at constant speed for some time t. Okay. And then decelerates at the rate of f by 2 to come to rest. Three conditions are given. In the first one, it is starting from rest, then accelerates with the rate of f. That is, this is the acceleration given with which it is accelerating, and then continues at constant speed for some time, and then decelerates at f by 2. And if it is given the total distance is 5 times s, then prove that s is equal to half ft square. Let us see how we will be doing. So first we will be taking here for accelerated motion. In accelerated motion, you see it is starting from rest. Obviously you will be taking 0. Acceleration f, it is given f. Distance we take suppose s, and velocity with which we are getting s, suppose v1. So let's see. We will apply third equation. We have v square minus u square is equal to 2as. Yes, v square, how much? Say v1. So v1 square minus 0 equal to 2. Acceleration is f. S is the distance. So what is velocity? It is under root 2fs. This is the velocity which we are getting. This is the first part over. Now, it continues at the constant speed for some time. जब यूनिफॉर्म स्पीड से जा रहा है, कंटिन्यूअसली मूव कर रहा है, देन वी हैव वेलोसिटी v इज इक्वल टू डिस्टेंस बाय टाइम. डिस्टेंस हम कैसे निकाल सकते हैं? वेलोसिटी इनटू टाइम. सो फॉर यूनिफॉर्म मोशन इफ वी टेक u इज इक्वल टू v1 व्हिच इज नथिंग बट अंडर रूट 2fs and time we take t, then distance s2 will be equal to v1 into t. That is nothing but we can write here like this, s2 equal to under root 2fs into t. This is the distance s2 we are getting. Now we will be finding what happens when it is decelerated, that is at the rate of f by 2. डिसेलरेशन हो रहा है मतलब एक्सेलरेशन कम हो रहा है. एक्सेलरेशन कम हो रहा है, माइनस साइन. कम्स टू रेस्ट, फाइनल वेलोसिटी 0. इनिशियल वेलोसिटी u, हाउ मच? दिस विल बी टेकिंग, क्योंकि इतनी वेलोसिटी हमको फाइनली मिल गई, अब इसी से वो कंटिन्यू हो रहा है. सो दैट इज अंडर रूट 2fs. ओके, नाउ वी विल यूज अगेन थर्ड इक्वेशन, v स्क्वायर माइनस u स्क्वायर is equal to 2as. Substitute 0 minus u square, that is 2fs square equal to 2 minus f by 2, distance suppose s3. Yes, from here we will see what happens to s3. Let's see क्या मिलता है हमको. This is nothing but minus 2fs. Yes, equal to minus 2f by 2. So this 2 will cancel. S3. S3 equal to 2s. Right? Okay. Total distance. Therefore, total distance covered. कितना डिस्टेंस कवर किया है उसने? पहले हमने s लिया, फिर s2 लिया, फिर s3 लिया, which is equal to how much it says? It should be 5s. 5s. S plus s2 how much? We can write this one. Under root 2fs into t plus s3 we can write 2s equal to 5s. This you see 2s and s will give you 3s. It goes the other side. So let's write here under root 2fs into t will be equal to 2s. Right? So it is under root 2fs equal to 2s by t. Squaring we will get 2fs is equal to 4s square by t square. Yes? So s will cancel, this cancel with 2. So what we have to prove? S is equal to half ft square. See here, it is 2s upon t square. This is f. So s is equal to half f t square. Proved. Okay. I hope it is very much clear to you. Thank you for watching the video till the end. Don't forget to like, subscribe and share. I will be coming with the next video where we will be dealing with equations of motion by calculus method, and we will be solving many more questions on equations of motion. Okay, thank you.